Legal methodology means lawful methodology. Let me put that way. That is a methodology that is recognized by law. It goes by judicial method, judicial process. For instance, a court can make an order ceding a region. In the exercise of their right to self-determination, they can make an order ceding a region to somewhere else, or granting a region power to govern themselves. Or, you know what happened between between Nigeria and Cameroon in the case over Bakassi land? Yeah, the judicial power was used by the International Court of Justice to carve out the part of Nigeria that is Bakassi, to carve it out and give it to Cameroon. Right now, Bakassi